If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. A PDF portfolio in Acrobat is a customizable collection of files. A portfolio can contain many different types of files, not just PDF documents. While users may choose to merge outside documents into one standard PDF file, a PDF portfolio offers several advantages by keeping individual files separate. You can easily add or remove files from a PDF portfolio. The files do not need to be converted into PDF format to add them to a portfolio. When working with a PDF portfolio in Acrobat, you can edit individual documents without changing the other files within the portfolio. Non-PDF files can be edited in their native applications from within a portfolio, and changes are automatically saved to the portfolio. To create a PDF portfolio in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button, roll down to the Create command, and then click the PDF Portfolio command in the side menu that appears to open the Create PDF Portfolio dialog box. Next, use the Add Files dropdown to select the content to add to the portfolio. You can add individual files or all files in a selected folder to the portfolio. You can also add a scanned document, a web page, or content copied to your computer's clipboard. As you add files to the portfolio, the Create PDF Portfolio dialog box shows the content as thumbnail images if possible. To reduce or enlarge the size of the file thumbnails, use the slider bar in the lower left corner of the dialog box. By default, files appear in a portfolio in the order in which they are added to the Create PDF Portfolio dialog box. To rearrange these files, click and drag them to the desired locations in the Create PDF Portfolio dialog box. After adding all the files you want to the portfolio, then click the Create button. Acrobat creates the portfolio and shows it in the main document window. To select a file in a PDF portfolio in Acrobat, click it to select it. To open a selected file within a portfolio in its native application, click the Open Document button in the top bar. If opening an external application, you may also need to confirm the choice to open it in another dialog box that appears. If opening a selected PDF file, it simply opens on a new tab within Acrobat. To add files to an opened PDF portfolio in Acrobat, click and drag the desired files from your computer's File Explorer window, and then drop them onto the document view of the PDF portfolio in Acrobat. To delete a selected file from the PDF portfolio in Acrobat, click the file to select it, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Then click Yes in the deletion confirmation prompt. To save a new PDF portfolio in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button, and then select the Save command to open a Save as PDF dialog box, which lets you choose where to save the portfolio file and what to name it. After making these choices, then click the Save button in the dialog box that opens to finish and save the portfolio file with the selected name to the selected destination. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.